Here I've got LG V40 ThinQ, and let me show you how to change the date and time on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to locate and open the settings, then under General, find and pick Date and Time, and here you can either have an automatic date and time or you can switch it off, and now you can set the date and also time manually by yourself. Also you can personalize the time zone, just click on select time zone, and now you can pick whichever you would like to apply. As you can see, we've got plenty of them, and let me choose, for example, Qatar. And the last possibility here is to change the format of your clock, so you can use either 24-hour format clock or you can switch it off to 12-hour format clock. And that's all. That's how you can smoothly and easily change date and time on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.